If you're tired of cooking in batches, waiting for one dish to finish before starting the next, or juggling multiple appliances just to make dinner, this might be exactly what your kitchen needs. Today, we're reviewing the ChefRobot 8-quart dual basket air fryer, a family-sized double air fryer designed to cook two foods at the same time. Faster, easier, and healthier. Now here's the real problem most families face. Dinner takes too long, and air fryers are usually too small. You cook the fries first, then the chicken. By the time everything's done, something's cold. This solves your problem by giving you two independent baskets that cook simultaneously. So your main dish and side finish together, hot and ready to serve. The ChefRobot Dual Basket Air Fryer features a smart dual basket design with 8 quarts of total capacity, 4 quarts per basket. That means you can cook wings in one basket and fries in the other, or salmon on one side and roasted veggies on the other. It literally cuts your cooking time in half compared to single basket air fryers. What makes this even better is the sync and match technology. Sync mode allows both baskets to finish cooking at the same time, even if they require different temperatures or cooking times. Match mode copies the same settings to both baskets instantly, which is perfect when you're cooking larger portions of the same food. No guesswork. Let's talk about ease of use. The ChefRobot comes with a vibrant TFT touchscreen and 10 one-touch presets. Whether you're making chips, wings, roast pizza, cake, or even egg tarts, the preset programs take the stress out of cooking. There's even a dedicated defrost function, which is a huge time saver when you forget to thaw something ahead of time. And for those who like control, you're not limited to presets. You can fully customize your cooking with a wide temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and set the timer anywhere from 1 to 60 minutes. That means you can dehydrate fruit at low temperatures, reheat leftovers without drying them out, or crank up the heat for crispy golden fries. This flexibility makes it more than just an air fryer. It's a multi-function cooking system. Now let's talk health and cleanup, because those matter just as much as performance. The ChefRobot air fryer is made from food-safe, non-toxic materials free from harmful chemicals. You get crispy results using little to no oil, which supports a healthier lifestyle for you and your family. And cleanup. The non-stick baskets are dishwasher-safe. That means no scrubbing stuck on grease at the sink. Just pop them into the dishwasher and you're done. This solves the common frustration of complicated cleanup that keeps people from using their appliances regularly. In real-life use, this air fryer is ideal for busy households. If you have kids, you know how important it is to get dinner on the table quickly. If you meal prep, you'll love cooking proteins and sides at the same time. If you entertain guests, you'll appreciate the larger 8-quart capacity. Instead of buying two separate air fryers or waiting for multiple cooking cycles, this double air fryer gives you efficiency and versatility in one sleek design. It saves time, it saves counter space, and it delivers consistent, crispy results every time. If you've been considering upgrading to a larger air fryer or switching to a dual basket air fryer for family meals, this one checks all the boxes: capacity, technology, customization, and convenience. Click the link in the description to check pricing and availability. And if you enjoy honest product reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions, be sure to subscribe for more kitchen tech insights. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.